I created this flow to enable me to create new contacts and make sure that they are not duplicates. So here we go. We start the flow. The customer puts in their contact information. Then the system, the flow I made, goes and finds the account ID. If the account ID is existing with another contact, then it's going to do a decision. Because if we just do the decision by first name and last name, we could have many people that have the same first name and last name in our org. So that's why we need to use the record ID. So the decision is, if the record ID exists, then we're going to update the existing contact and it's going to update it. If it does not exist, then we're going to create a new one. So let's go ahead and run it and see what happens when we create a new contact. Dr. Strange. And I'm just going to pick a random company here. So this is the toggle that I created in here. If the contact already exists, we're going to update the existing record. So we could choose create new contact or update existing. Here we go. So we come in here. I'll refresh this. And Dr. Strange is now a new contact. That's the flow. Simple and sweet, but it does a lot of things. Very powerful.